If you are moving to Germany or planning to move soon and you're worried about making meaningful connections with new friends or your new neighbors, then today's lesson is for you. I'm going to teach you some practical phrases on how to introduce yourself in German. In case we haven't met yet, hallo und herzlich willkommen. Hello and welcome to Speak Fluent German. My name is Salome and my mission with this channel is to break down the German language in an easy way to follow, because you really don't have to be a language genius in order to master German. As a beginner, you should definitely check out my free training, which is your quick start guide to becoming conversational in German. In this training, I cover German pronunciation, how to decode daily life conversation, and I break down the essentials of German sentence structure. The link to register completely for free is in the description box below. Alright, now let's dive into the phrases that you need in order to introduce yourself. First of all, we need the verb to be called, which is heißen in German. Alright, repeat after me. Heißen. Heißen. So in this word, you will find the funny looking B, which we call a sharp S or SZ in German. And the S sound is pronounced just like in the English word snow. So it's a S sound, all right? Heißen. The next word that we need is the word for I, which is ich. Ich. And in order to pronounce the CH sound properly, you need to press air through a tiny gap between your teeth. So it's sh, sh, ich, ich. All right, so let's put these two words together. Ich heiße. Ich heiße. And don't forget to pronounce the E at the end of the verb, so it's ich heiße. You know, in English, we don't tend to pronounce E's at the end of words, like in, for example, name, but in German we do. Alright, so the next phrase that you need in order to introduce yourself successfully is ich komme aus. I come from. So kommen aus means to come from. Repeat after me. Ich komme aus. Ich komme aus. And lastly, you also want to express where you live, which is ich wohne in. Wohnen in means to live in, alright? So repeat after me. Ich wohne in. Okay, so now we're going to put all of these phrases together. Ich heiße. Ich heiße. Ich komme aus. Ich komme aus. Ich wohne in. Ich wohne in. Alright, so in my case, I would say, ich heiße Salome. Ich komme aus Deutschland. Ich wohne in Frankfurt. Alright, let me know in the comments below how you're doing with your language learning. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more content like this. Also make sure to check out the free training for beginners in the description box. I'd love to see you there. Das ist alles für heute. Vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen und bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!